Hey guys, so in this tutorial we will show you how you can make a private privacy page for free on Bubble without any effort. So for this we need to generate our policy generator first. So if we go policy generator, if you search for policy generator, you just need to click on this privacy policy generator.info website and just come here, enter your company. I will say Zaim LLC. Your website name, it could be anything. Like if I preview this, so the website name is this. I'll just copy it here. Actually, and then I will just copy the URL of my website. Then click yes. Do you use cookies on your website? I will say yes. No, I don't choose Google AdSense. If you use them, you can mark them as yes. Do you show advertising on your app? I do not. My country is currently Pakistan. State is Punjab. My email address is this. And we can just click on generate my policy. So once the privacy policy is generated, you can do it two ways. Like, so let's suppose you have to submit it to the App Store or to the Google Play Store. Most of times, I think they will reject your application if you don't have your privacy policy on your app. So I would recommend copying this text and not this link. Then once you have copied this text, come here and make a new page. You can call it privacy. Once you make the privacy page, you can just add a text element here. Okay, why is it not letting me upgrade? Yeah, I prefer the new engine now. Just give it a moment. Okay, so we are in the privacy page now. We can just select it as column, and I would like to make two texts. So I would also like and just make them 90%, make its width as 90% as well, center line it, give some margin on top and bottom. We'd also like to give some margin to its bottom as well. So I would say it's privacy policy. And then this text that we copied from here, we can just come here and then just paste here. So it will take you a lot of time to remove these tags. So what you can do other than this is, if I delete this and put a HTML element here and may mark it with as 90%, mark it as this. So as you can see, you can actually get the complete privacy policy here if you click on preview. You can actually see your complete privacy policy, but it is not well defined in the way of style. So what I do is, I don't prefer HTML element. I will just select it as text, and then this I will put some time. uh, so once you clean all of the tags, all of the HTML tags, it will look like this. So what you can do is you can bold the headings. So if I go up here, you can go to the rich text editor and you can actually make it bold, all of the headings as bold. Consent. Okay, I need to remove these tags as well. How the user information should be. Okay, so this should be as bullet points. Log files should be a heading as well. We should make this bold as well. And then this is CCPA, GDPR. Okay, so now we are ready to preview the page that we just created for our privacy. So as you can see, we now have our privacy policy page ready and it looks very nice, and you can use this page as your privacy policy while submitting your app or mobile app to the Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. That is it for today's video. Have a good day. Bye.